Hello everyone, welcome back. It is officially spring 2026, and as the seasons shift, I felt the need for a total digital reset. Today I'm giving you a deep dive tour of my iPad Pro work mode setup. This year, I've leaned heavily into warm, sunset pink palettes as it keeps my workspace feeling bright and grounded even during high-pressure design sprints. We're going to look at my professional creative suite, my life admin systems, and how I've been using small bits of AI here and there to keep things moving as an art director. Before we get into the apps, I want to talk about the overall look and my organizational philosophy. You'll notice I only use one single home screen. I've never liked having dozens of screens to swipe through on my work iPad. It feels cluttered and distracting. If an app or a tool isn't important enough to live on the front page, it does not belong in my daily workflow. So to achieve this cohesive minimalist look, all of my widgets and icons are custom made using the Shortcuts app. I've stripped away the default branding to create a unified aesthetic that matches my vibe perfectly. On the single page, I have Google Gemini and YouTube Studio for quick AI brainstorming and keeping an eye on my digital Nook, Chrome and Pinterest, my primary windows for research and mood boarding, the Adobe and Office folders, my professional powerhouses, the extra large calendar. This takes up the bottom half of the screen because seeing my entire week at a glance is a non-negotiable for a director level role. This ornate gold frame widget, I actually painted and designed this frame from scratch in the Procreate app because I wanted something that felt more intentional and me than a standard digital border or picture from Pinterest. So I would say treat your digital space like your physical desk. If you can't find a widget that fits your aesthetic, use your creative skills to build one. It reduces tech fatigue and makes your device feel like an extension of your personal style. My bucket list widget, having it right in the homepage, is so convenient for keeping my long-term goals front and center, and this is actually a smart stack. So with a quick slide up, the bucket list reveals my Notes app widget. This is a double widget setup. It's my secret for staying organized, and I can jump from dreaming about a goal to jotting down a meeting note in half a second without ever leaving my main screen. Now my Adobe folder, my creative engine, I'm constantly toggling between Adobe XD for layouts, Illustrator, Photoshop for assets. I also like to keep Procreate here since it's my go-to for hand-drawn textures. Next is the Office folder, which is essential for my leadership responsibilities. This includes Word, OneDrive, PowerPoint, Excel, and OneNote. I've also integrated Microsoft 365 Copilot here because using AI to summarize meeting notes or project briefs saves me hours every week, which is time I can put back into my creative passion projects. Now, while the vertical view is great for scrolling, I often switch to horizontal mode when I'm getting into deep work. I use an Apple keyboard, which makes it incredibly easy to type on the go. And you can see how that extra large calendar widget adapts perfectly to this wider view, giving me a full command center feel for my schedule. One of the best feelings is actually checking things off that list. I've already achieved 2 major goals this year. 1, obtaining my promotion, and 2, going on an international trip. Speaking of that trip, I actually have a new short series where I'm taking my Kindle around London for a short week. It was such a beautiful experience capturing soft tech in one of my favorite cities. So I can't wait to share those moments with you guys. So be sure to check out that playlist that is on my channel. So this is my complete spring 2026 iPad setup. It's lean, it's intentional, and it's exactly what I need to stay inspired this season. By sticking to a single custom design page, I found so much more peace in my professional workflow. So my question for you is, what is the one goal you're determined to check off your bucket list this year? Let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this blend of aesthetic and career advice, then please hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.